So we're taking the drawers out to make it easier to bring this up, and these drawers come out really easily. You just grab these little orange tabs and then they slide right off the rails, which is really nice. Just taking them out easy.
Super easy.
Yeah.
Those are nice. They look good quality too.
Yeah, they do.
They look really nice right here. Look at that.
So you shouldn't ever have a problem with the bottoms of the drawers falling out because you've got support along the bottom, which is
really good.
Yeah, these are really nice. Here's the first step. See, I can step.
There. Are you sure it'll fit that direction? Ooh. Good job though.
My arms around.
Oh my. That looks good. Hey guys.
Hey. Mom said this plastic can come down.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay.
I love how it has holes in the back.
Yeah.
It's gonna make the plumbing easier.
Yep. Down.
Well done. Well done. So the tones seem to coordinate, makes the walls look a little bit bluer, but it goes with the floor, which is good.
Yeah, it all goes nicely together.
Yeah.
It's gonna be real nice.
Are you able to put the top on now?
So I need to screw this into the wall.
Uh-huh.
Probably over here as well. Screw this into the wall so that it doesn't move. And then, yeah, then we should be able to put the top on it.
I will 100% be out of your way. You guys take your time. Wow, that looks so heavy. You guys are doing amazing. Do I need help?
Yep, hold in the middle. So I can switch to the other side.
Oh, that's so heavy.
Okay.
Do I just keep holding it?
Yep, come this way towards me. Set it down.
No.
I'm setting it down for a second. Okay.
Terry needs to move her hands.
Move your hands. Roll it against the wall.
Watch those fingers.
All right, now let's bring it down.
Can you use the sink at all?
Bring it down. Okay, you got glue on your hands?
Yeah.
All right. That's it right there.
I know. I mean, it just like dropped right in.
Yeah.
Whew, I got so nervous my fingers were gonna get scrunched.
And we didn't break it.
Yay! It's not a normal hammer.
Nope, but it works. It's got a little hammer end on it. That's all I need. Something to tap these anchors into the wall. Come out, you just reach under here, find the orange clips, the ends of them, and then slide forward.
Cool.
And then it just lifts off. And then you just hold the rail until it clicks.
From their soft clothes. Oh yeah.
While I was installing the toilet, the flange snapped. Right here, where the T-bolt was being held in. So that piece snapped off. This flange is pretty old. And while we were at the store looking for solutions, I found this spacer. Since the new floor is higher than the old floor was, I think this is gonna be a pretty good option. And I'll just put that on there, screw this down through the old flange into the floor, and just set the toilet on that. And I think that will be a pretty good solution. If that doesn't end up working out like I want it to, I also have a new flange that I can install here, but I'd rather not do major plumbing if I don't have to. So I'm gonna try this first and then see if I can get this to work. I'm gonna clean this up. I got some silicone and I'm gonna put a bead of silicone all the way around so that it completely seals and there's no possibility of anything leaking. All right. Today's my last day that I have to work here, so I need to get everything done. My punch list includes the drains for both the sinks and the new vanity, installing the medicine cabinet, installing the lights above the vanity, finishing the drywall repair for the light above the vanity, finishing the baseboards, and installing the closet organizer racks. And then I also have all of the electrical switches and outlets to swap in this bathroom. And that should take care of most of it. So let's get right to it. All right, let's see if these are the right water supply lines. Nice. went to Lowe's this morning and picked up some Schedule 40 PVC pieces so that I can connect the drain to the house. Based on where the old drain was, it doesn't, nothing is in the right spot to connect. So none of these pieces will connect. So what I've done is I got a couple of these 60-degree bends. So I'll put this bend on here like this. And then I'll put another bend up here to connect these together. I'll move up. I can trim this piece back so that it's the right length. And then I'll be able to connect everything. Alright, so this is all glued together now, and everything should be good to go. Just gonna wait 2 hours for it to cure, and then we can test it. Alright, I've got the next drain piece dry fit, so it's time to glue it all together. You can see I marked the different sections so that I know where everything goes when I put it together. That should do it.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.